Okay, this is part 2 of the template. Now what you want to do is start adding in your images that the students will be manipulating on the slide. Remember, they cannot get to this information underneath and move it because it is under a transparent layer. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to Google, do a search, truck. I had a letter T up there, so I'm going to type in my search. And I've already limited it to images. If I want it to be a clip art, I'm going to go ahead and add those words. Sometimes that comes up here in the options as far as what you want to use. All right, so this looks like a truck to me. There are a couple ways that you can grab that image. If you're on your Chromebook and you have your pen, take your pen out, down in the bottom corner, tap on the pen and choose Capture Region, and then you can draw a box over top of it and it will capture the region for you. You do not need to worry about copying to clipboard. The other option that you have is you can use your keyboard. So if you hold Control, Shift, and the Windows switcher key, which happens to be the key above the number 6, you'll notice the screen dimmed a little. I'm going to click, hold, and drag over that same image, and it is going to save it for me. Now, the next thing I want to do is go back to my Seesaw tab. I'm going to go to the camera, and I'm going to say upload because those images that I just took a picture of are on my Chromebook. So if I go ahead and go to recent, it has things in the order that I just did them. So up at the top here in recent, I should see the exact same screenshot 2 different times. You can see that they were simply a minute apart. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one and say open. It will put the image in there. Then I'm going to resize the image and move it off to the side. When the students go to move these, sometimes they tend to stretch it. If that happens, you go up and you let them know this is their best friend, the undo key. So they do hit the undo key. They can click in the middle with one pointer, drag with the other, or click and then use their arrow keys. By using the arrow keys, they have less of a chance of resizing the image to where they need to send it. And that would be how you can create so that you have part of your template where they cannot move things, because I cannot move that letter B, P, T, or S, but I can go ahead and move the images that I put on top of that transparent layer. So I hope that helps when you begin creating your own activity.